lovely people, and welcome back to Yoga with Kate. I hope you're all fit and well. Namaste to you all. Today's class is going to be something a little bit different. We're going to be doing an 8-minute plank challenge. Yes, you heard me correctly. We're going to be working our abdominal muscles and our arms and our shoulders for 8 minutes straight. There'll be no rest in between. Please don't do this class if you're pregnant. And without further ado, let's get started. Right, we're going to start off by coming down into our forearm plank. So setup is really important to make sure we're using our abdominal muscles correctly. So for our setup, we're going to have our elbows underneath our shoulders and we're going to be clasping our hands in front. From here, and the timer starts now, we're going to come up onto those toes. Now you're really pushing your weight back into the heels, squash your elbows into the mat, and you're tucking your bottom under. If you're doing this correctly, you should feel a nice burning sensation in your tummy. So nice deep breaths here. I'll tell you when we're going to be changing over position. Don't worry, we're not staying like this for the full 8 minutes. Nice deep breaths. With the plank, it works your abdominal muscles, as you know, your arm strength, shoulder strength, fantastic for everything and great for turning your abdominal muscles. So stick with it. Come on, it's not going to be easy, but stay with me if you can. Let those heels back for a little bit more. Come on, stay with it. You should feel your arms shaking a little bit. Start building up a little bit of a sweat. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're taking the right leg up now. Come on. Just feel the burning going on now. Nice deep breaths. Just 30 seconds with the right leg up. 30 seconds with the right leg up. Try not to let your bottom go into the air. And we're changing over in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left leg up, left leg up. Come on, 30 seconds with the left leg up. Come on, stay with it. Feel your tummy working now. Nice deep breaths. Feel your heart rate accelerating. It's burning some calories. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're coming up into full plank, full plank. Get those heels locked back. Should be sweating a bit now. I know I am. Staying there. So we're staying here for a full minute. Staying there. Nice deep breaths. It's really test your cardio as well. People say yoga isn't cardio. Let them do this class. Nice deep breaths there. Just 1 minute in this. Stick with it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep your left leg where it is. We're just bending that right knee forward. Right knee forward. We're just staying here for 30 seconds. Nice deep breaths. I'm still smiling. Hope you are. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Swap on over. Left knee in, left knee in. 30 seconds here. Nice deep breaths. Don't worry, I'm going to be telling you when we get 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we're coming down onto our elbow. Side plank, side plank. A minute here. Come on, you've got this. Really squeeze your bottom up towards the ceiling. Just relax this arm. Nice deep breaths. Come on, stick with it. I'll let you know when we're swapping over. Should be soon. It's tough. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going on to that left arm. Come on, you've got this. Woo! It's getting hot in here. Come on, we're doing this. It's just 8 minutes. Let's get toned for the summer. Come on, stick with it. No slacking, come on. I'll let you know when it's coming up to the minute. Can't be far off now, I'm hoping. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up we come. Come on, full plank again. Get those heels locked back. Come on, we're on the last couple of minutes now. We can do this. Whew. Nice deep breaths. Make sure you're comfortable. Try not to let your bottom go up to the ceiling. Nice deep breaths. Last one, we're going to be dropping down onto those elbows. Give those shoulders a final last blast. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on down. Come on. We're on the final straight here. It's been tough, but you can do this. Come on. 8 minutes just to work on those abs. Should be burning now. Get those heels locked back. Make sure you're dropping that bottom down. Come on, we're on to the last 30 seconds, hopefully. My legs are wobbling. Don't worry if yours are too. Woo! It's getting hot. Come on, we're doing the last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Drop down into child's pose. Have a little rest there for a moment. Let your heart rate resume back to some sort of normality. And then we're just on curling. Up we come. Give those shoulders a lovely roll back and down. And keep them pushed down. So thank you very much for joining me for this 8-minute plank challenge. Please drop me a comment down below and let me know how you got on. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I greatly appreciate it if you did. I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care of yourselves. I'm Shanti, which is peace.